Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a spotlight on one of the best spin bike pedals available in the market, the Mini Exercise Bike by Himaly. Whether you're looking to enhance your home workouts or sneak in some exercise at the office, this compact pedal exerciser has got you covered. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why spin bike pedals like this one are becoming increasingly popular. With hectic schedules and limited time for traditional gym visits, having a convenient and effective exercise solution at home or in the office is a game-changer. So, what sets the Himaly Mini Exercise Bike apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look at its features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this pedal exerciser offers adjustable resistance levels to suit your individual needs. With just a twist of the knob, you can customize your workout intensity for maximum effectiveness. Stay on top of your fitness goals with the multifunction LCD monitor, which displays essential workout metrics such as time, count, calories burned, and distance. Plus, the scan feature allows you to track your progress effortlessly. Measuring just 15.98 inches in length, 13.8 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, this mini exercise bike is compact enough to fit under your desk or in a small closet. Plus, weighing only 7.6 pounds, it's easy to transport wherever you go. Whether you're targeting your arms or legs, this pedal exerciser offers a full-body workout experience. Use it on the floor for leg exercises or place it on a desk for arm workouts. The choice is yours. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns about this product based on customer reviews. Many customers have praised the Himaly Mini Exercise Bike for its ease of assembly, performance, and overall value. However, some users have reported issues with stability and smoothness during use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the consensus remains overwhelmingly positive. For those looking to add a convenient and effective fitness tool to their daily routine, the Himaly Mini Exercise Bike is undoubtedly worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Himaly Mini Exercise Bike. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, stay active and healthy.